folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated? Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell you are. Can everybody hear me okay? I'm not gonna lie, I need to blow my nose, man. So let me know if you can hear me. I was a little bit late today, I apologize. It was just because my browser was messing up, and as well as that, I woke up a little bit late too. Just let me know in the chat if you can hear me. Just press 1 in the chat if you can hear me, or just say yes or anything short. Just let me know that you can hear me. I'm just gonna blow my nose real quick, so I will be back. Right, can you hear me? You can hear me, mate. Perfect. All right, bookers, thank you. So, good morning to everybody, and I hope you're all doing well. It's me back again, feeling ill as usual. I've had a terrible fever this week, but let's not get into the bad stuff. Actually, speaking of bad stuff, I've got some news for you. So there's good news and there's bad news. Which one do you guys want to hear first? Let's do a vote. So I want to hear in the chat. Just let me know. Do you want to hear good news or do you want to hear the bad news first? Up to you. Man, I ain't feeling too good. You want to hear the bad news first? All right. Gotcha. Okay, so the bad news is this, right? Listen carefully. Listen close. The bad news is this. Remember the 25K account, and it was almost down to $100, and it was very, very difficult to to try and build that back up from $100. Well, that's gone. So that's the bad news. The bad news is that account has been blown. It's been put out of its misery. Okay. But the good news is this. I've been given a second chance. Now, in life, you don't really get a lot of second chances, do you? But I'm going to tell you this. With this second chance, I will do the best to... Well, this is the good news, actually, like I say. The good news is I got a new account. And this new account, what I'll be doing is instead of, the pressure to perform and spending a lot of time explaining things, which I will do, I'll still explain things to you. It's just, I'll treat it a lot better. I'll reduce my risk. I'll keep my risk consistent as well. Taking a prop fund challenge in front of, a lot of people and then taking full risk, 1% risk, is quite a scary thing to do, right? It doesn't give you a lot of chances. So I'm just going to half my risk to 0.5%, which I should do really on a prop fund account. And then we'll see where we go from there. Hopefully you guys don't hate me. But like I say, with my rookie mistakes and my, pressure to perform and me thinking, oh, shit, well, I got to look good, It's a pride thing, right? When it comes to trading, you don't want to tell people that you're a loser. But like I say, at the end of the day, if you don't know who I am Fbomb. and I've been trading this strategy for 5 weeks. It's been very profitable for a lot of the people who have joined, and even on my prop firm account, I was doing pretty well. Okay, on my prop firm account, I was doing quite well. However, whenever it came to this stream, I was trying to, I was mainly focusing on explaining things to people and speaking to you and trying to be engaging. And I'll still do that. I will still try and be engaging. But if I take a trade, sometimes I may not explain them until after I take them. Okay, but I will call them out as I see them. All right. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Now, again, I do the same thing every week. You guys know the drill. By the way, Angelo, I did not take the US dollar JPY trade. I literally just woke up. I woke up literally about 50 minutes ago. Okay, let me just blow my nose again because I'm so ill. I apologize to you guys. I am really ill today. I've been really ill for the past week. I've had several things going wrong. It's just not very good. I hope you guys' week has been a lot better. But let's get into the strategy, all right? Because I don't want any of you guys, thinking, oh, well, maybe you guys have had a bad week too, and you don't want to hear about mine. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into the strategy, right? So we do this every single week. 4 steps to success. There's number 1, we focus on bear candles only. If you look at my chart, the only thing that we focus on, if you look at the lines, we only have bear candles which have lines on them. Whether it's blue is bullish, red is bearish. All of them, both of them, are on bear candles only. Okay, so we only focus on bear candles. Number 2, we focus on candle changes. Okay, so for example, a bullish scenario, a bullish line is drawn when there's a bear candle that comes before a bull candle which engulfs it. Sometimes, though, I will add this bull candle here that took the high, right? We can all agree they took the high. Look at the bottom right. Let me just zoom in for you. We can all agree that this bull candle took the high. It closed above, and therefore this line is drawn. Okay, it will disappear when a candle closes below it, because then that means price is made efficient, right? But what I want you to know is sometimes this bull candle can be split up into like 3 bull candles or 4 bull candles. There could be like a small bull candle here, and then a smaller one here, and then a bigger one here, which then take out the high. In that case, then it's all right. As long as they're consecutive, and for those of you who don't know what consecutive means, as long as they're one after another without anything else breaking them in between. For example, if there's 5 bull candles, that's 5 consecutive bull candles, right? They're one after the other. Whereas if it's 5 bull candles, but then he goes bull, 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 bear, bull, then that's not consecutive. Okay, but as long as it's consecutive bull candles or 1 bull candle, then it takes it out. All right. So then it's a bullish line, right? Now, how does a bearish line form? It's very, very simple. It's a lot simpler, arguably, to be honest with you. If I just do this stupid thing. So, hold on, let me just refresh that. There you go, right. So, a bearish line is drawn when there's a bear after a bull. That's simple. Obviously, after that bear, there has to be another bear, otherwise there would be no line, because the line will disappear when there's a close above. So for a bearish line, and when it closes above, that bearish line will disappear. For a bullish line, if a bearish candle closes below, it will disappear. I will simplify this in just a second. Okay. So now number 3 is you need an attempt at a rebalance. Now I'm going to show you a fantastic trade over here. We have a bear candle. That's step number 1. We have step number 2. We have bull candles which take the body high. Step number 3. You listening? Step number 3 is a bear candle. Okay, now a bear candle, what it needs to do is it needs to just print, but it cannot close below. Remember what I said? If it closes below or above in a bearish scenario, if it closes below, it's going to disappear. Reason being is because it's not valid anymore, right? But since this is valid, okay, and this bear candle is printed, it's not closed below, it's closed above. Even if it wicked in, we don't focus on wicks, we focus on bear candles, okay? So when there's a bear candle and it does not close below, it closes above, then we can think, okay, price wants to continue moving up, right? So when we've had that thesis, then the next thing that we go for is step number 4. Step number 4, I don't know how to count, is moving. Is taking the body break entry. So the body of this bear candle, okay, the body of this bear candle will be taken as a breaking point for us to enter. When this breaks, this bull candle here, when this breaks, like it did here, we would take a buy. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. I will explain this throughout the session as well. But yeah, I will make sure to have it explained to people, and obviously you will see me take these trades as we go along the session. Okay. Can I handle your proper account Mahendra, my friend? Unfortunately, I cannot. But maybe one day, you never know. But we'll see. Anyways, I don't know if you guys are bored, but excuse me. Let's get into some trading now. Let me just have a look at the stock markets. Also, the guy who teaches the strategy is a guy who has spent several decades working in a bank. Okay, he spent several decades working in a bank. Now, Cam Hawkins, the guy who, the guy who owns this channel, TradingNut, right? He knows this person. He knows Cameron. He knows the guy that teaches me personally, right? And he's always wanted to have him on his show. However, he's taught up a bunch of people. He's taught me and an admin team, and he decided to put me on instead. Okay, as a newbie trader, someone who's only really been learning his strategy for 5 weeks, but from an actual former banker. Now, if you want to see what the strategy is, this strategy is completely free. Okay, there's no payment involved in terms of learning the strategy. All that content is free. And you know what else? You know what I don't like about other teachers or whatever is the fact that they put out so much content that is so confusing. Okay, so we have condensed everything that you need into literally 2 videos. You can watch 2 videos and you can do the same strategy as I'm doing. Okay, now it's a very unique strategy, as you know from my explanation. It's not really like SMC or anything like that, and it is truly based on the way that banks function. Okay, banks don't care about stop losses; they only care about transferring money in as quickly and as efficiently a manner as possible. Okay, now if you want to learn the strategy, join our Discord below. Okay, the Discord is where you want to be. We have a nice, friendly community where you can trade together every single session. We trade every day. London session. Every single London session, we trade every single day. Whereas we also have a live traders chat where you guys, the members, can go in and sit there and chat amongst yourselves and trade with each other. But what I will say is you should join the Discord because all our learning material is there. You can have access to Cameron. You can meet him. You can speak to him. You can ask him all your questions. And you can even have one-on-ones with him if you give this strategy a try for a solid amount of time. Give it 2 weeks. And if you're trading it for 2 weeks and you've had yourself some profit, but you got some things that you need to iron out, feel free to message Cameron, message him privately. You'll find him in our Discord server. Join our Discord though, and we will do our best to help you. Okay, and I really, really do hope that you guys join us. And we've got quite a large community now. Our community is growing, and I hope you like to grow along with us. And you will definitely see some value going into your trading and a massive improvement in your trading as well. Every single day we trade live on the Discord with everybody else. You can join the live trading as well. You'll be able to hear me and you can hear them. And they give you a wealth of knowledge and they tell you exactly what they're seeing, exactly, what trades that they want to take, what they're interested in. And occasionally throughout the when the markets go boring, you'll see them spread some knowledge. So I highly recommend you join the Discord. And like I say, the Discord link is in the comments, and I will send it again for those of you who haven't seen that. And then we'll get to trading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the people in the Discord, and I will be speaking to them as well. So if I say anything that's out of line, it's because I'm speaking to people who are on the Discord. And if you want to see what they're saying, join the Discord. I sent the link. Now let me answer your questions. Okay, what indicator is this? So this indicator is this one. Let me just show you real quickly. You don't need this indicator to be good at this strategy. This is just an indicator that I made because it's easier to well, it's just easier for me to see the lines. You can draw these lines yourself. You can have a daily target pattern yourself, but I trade with this indicator, and a lot of other people have bought it as well. But I'd never recommend. I'm not here to sell you an indicator. Okay, I want you to know that I'm not here to sell you an indicator. If you like the strategy and you like to see it in action and you're making money with it, and you're like, okay, yeah, I can invest some money in it, then go ahead. But right now, I would not recommend you get it just because if you're new at the strategy, it's better for you to learn how it works, why the lines are there, and then you can go ahead and you can get the indicator if you so need it. Anyways, I'm going to go back to the Discord. I'm going to speak to the guys and let's see what's going on. Have I missed anything? Any trades? It's fully blue on IG, so that means have I missed anything? Any setups? Okay, cool. Oh man. What did you guys think of Euro? Yeah, there's a setup just then, yeah. Is there? Oh yeah, I don't have that. Okay, because it closed below. That's why. I quite like it. How many legs are we on? 1, 2. Let's look at the pound. Kaiser here. Yeah, he is. Man, I would have taken Euro. Fuck. Not because it's too late now, but yeah. One pip is 20% of what I want to make, bro. Trying to get. Oh, there we go. It's coming back. It's coming back. I'll probably get in. Let's see. Let's book over here, right? Yeah, better safe than sorry. I'm gonna leave it. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, it's going into barcode. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna be spending a lot of time on the YouTube just to let you guys know. So I might be quiet here. So if I am quiet, that's why I'll be back. Right, guys. So the guys on YouTube, speak to me, man. I'm so tired today. I need someone to keep me on my toes, man. To keep me awake. Really, I've really not had the best night's sleep. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I had a really good night's sleep. I slept really early. At the same time, though, man, the illness, whew, fever dreams, they're bad, bro. I don't know what it is. I don't understand why fever dreams or dreams that you have when you're on fevers are really bad. Like they're super vivid. it's like I was running from something. It just wasn't. It didn't feel nice. You know what I mean? It wasn't very good. Anyways, let me speak to you guys. Please show us IG screen. Sure, man. Sure. Oh, sorry, Danny. I missed you. I missed your question. My bad. How long have I been trading for? So before this before this challenge, my second challenge, I've only really been trading this strategy for 5 weeks. Before that, I traded maybe on and off for like a year or two. It wasn't very committed. I just because I had a job at the time. It was very hard to trade at the same time, so I didn't trade that much before then. But yeah, solidly, I put a lot of time into learning this strategy from Cameron. And if, like I said to you guys, if you want to learn the strategy yourself, it's completely free. There's no paywall. You don't need to buy this indicator, but if you do want it, sure, but you don't need to get it. The only reason why it's there is because it draws the lines for you and it shows you a target panel on the top left. And you can see the logo. It says Prop Sense. That's us. But like I say, if you want to join the Discord, join the Discord right there. But let me show you now the IG screen. Sorry, mate. You have to see my ugly face for a little bit, but you won't have to see for too long, I promise. There you go. Now, so what I want you to see is this. Forget about all the other pairs. What I want you to see, most importantly, is this on the left here. Okay, so there's a general rule of thumb or two general rules of thumb. If it's a clear sea of color, so if it's blue, right, that means it's going to be well, that means we're going to be looking for US dollar weakness. Okay, because that means the stocks are strong. If stocks and stuff like that are strong, and indices, especially US indices, that means the US dollar will be weak. And let me explain why. From my brief knowledge, if you want to ask the real people who know, it's the people who are in the Discord, Cameron, PT, all of them. But from my basic knowledge, reason being is because when you put money into a stock, you're putting the US dollar in, right? You're putting money into a stock. So when you take money out of stock, the most safest currency is the US dollar, right? So if the safest currency is the US dollar, when investors want to be safer, essentially, they will take their money out of stocks, they will sell their shares, they will, sell the stocks or whatever they have, and they come back to them in the US dollar because US dollar is classed as the safest currency. So if investors don't want to take risk, they have US dollar. If they do want to take risk, they'll give away their US dollar into the stocks. So that's why when the stocks move up, when we see a sea of green, a sea of blue in the top left-hand corner over here that you see, that means that the investors, it's a risk-on market, okay? Because investors are putting risk into stock markets instead of the US dollar. So that means the US dollar should be weaker, and that means that in terms of the way that it affects our trading, we'd want to be buying AUD USD, we'd want to be buying GBP USD, we'd want to be buying the Euro USD. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, okay? But you could get this for free as well. It's literally just a demo account, and if you get a demo account, you'll be able to get this screener too, okay? Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. I think it's because you got banned recently. I know who you are. But anyways, let's go back to the trading. Share screen. But yeah, hopefully I explained that to you guys as well as I could. Okay, perfect. Right, so if you have any other questions, like I say, I'm going to be speaking to the guys on Discord. So if I say anything that doesn't really make sense to you guys, it's because I'm speaking to them too. Okay, I just don't want you to be. I don't want you to feel left out. All right, but I will be also looking at your messages, your questions on the chat, etc. Banned for what? I've not done anything wrong. To be honest, you can PM me and we can discuss that yourself. But same time, I think we know your purpose and what you were there for. You weren't exactly there to be genuine. So yeah, if you do, if I had no say in banning you. To be honest, it wasn't me. But like say, we suspected that you were a troll, and you know, as I like trolls as much as the next guy. But if you're gonna come there and be a troll, you know, you're gonna get banned. It's that simple. He said we could be banned by a broker. No, you're not. There's no one banned from broker. It's just he was talking about the server. He was being a bit of a troll in the server, so we banned him. All that. Okay. Like he was changing his name frequently. He was asking really strange questions, etc. But yeah, that doesn't forget about him. We don't want to talk about him. If you do misbehave in the stream as well, I'll ban you here too. I don't mind, bro. Like I say, I don't run a tight ship. I don't mind. I want you guys to have fun as much as I do because I'm bored as hell, bro. So, and trading is boring sometimes, especially when you're trying to. I was asking about the indicator and everything. I was also trying to learn. So did you get a ban notice? I'll ask the admin team. I'll ask the admin team about you and see if you weren't, you know, if anything, if they made a mistake. But I'm pretty sure they were right. But I'll ask them for you. Don't worry about it. But yeah, Angelo, there's no you'll be banned by a broker unless I don't know you you go and do HFT on them and they don't allow it or something. But no, there's no banning from the broker. I didn't mention that. Okay. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to be speaking to the guys on the Discord. We trade live on the Discord every single day. So if you want to join the Discord, join us here on the link. And we appreciate everybody's support. Get yourself verified. Go onto the verified channel. Click the verification button, and then you go and do a capture, and then you come back. It's just to make sure that we have security. That's all. Because we've been getting a lot of scammers recently, a lot of people who impersonate us, and we're just trying our best to combat that. Right, like I said, I'm going to speak to the guys on Discord. No, we'll be back. Have I missed anything? All right. Gotcha. Yeah, let me look at the news, actually. I forgot I didn't look at the news today. Friday, right? Oh, shoot. There's flash PMI at 8:15. Oh, no. And then we have, oh my God. The euro just gone all morning, bro. And the pound flash PMI at 9:30. There's gonna be not a lot of trading today, bro. I'm not trying to expose myself to risk on a Friday with news. No, what I'll do is I'll see if there are any setups in the next like half an hour or so, and then if the news is really bad, then you know we'll call it a day. That's the plan. What do you guys think? Yeah. As long as it's not like a 70 pip move like on the USD CHF yesterday. Did that end up retracing or not? Yeah, it did retrace. You it retraced halfway, right? Okay. Interesting. There's a fix on the USD card, London fix. Yeah, there's a London fix on the USD card as far as like what it shows on my screen. It's yeah, it's above. It's at 1 point. Well, yeah, above. Yeah, from yesterday. There's been no business there. Yeah, exactly. Then the pound. Let's see what the pound's doing. Poundy pound. Fuck the pound, bro. It's just been ranging. Stupid idiot. And the euro is just Same shit, different day. What do you guys think of? Actually, no, never mind. I was gonna say Euro longs, but like, not with that range, bro. And then it doesn't seem like there's much movement either. If it does just pick up some speed, I might take it. Well, there we go. The Swissy's raining though. Does that mean I don't really want to? Do I really want to take that? Yeah. Yep. Not very good. That is not good. I'm German now. No, sorry, I just had to mute myself because I wanted to speak about Nice and Joe. So just really basically, I don't really want to talk about this on stream, but basically, you asking like a lot of annoying questions, even though you weren't like you didn't seem like you were watching the videos. But if you like I said, all our content is for free, right? But as long as you watch the videos completely and then you're free to ask your questions, sure, but you just got to make sure that the questions that are valid in terms of, well, yeah, I watched these videos, because from your questions it didn't really seem like you watched them. I'm happy to add you again, because like I say, I wasn't the one who banned you, but at the same time, if you don't want to be added anymore, that's cool. But I mean, I don't, like I say, that was what I was told about why you were banned from the community. Plus, there was something about you changing your username within like a minute of joining the joining the group, so it was a bit suspicious to them. So they banned you. It's because of security. Really, they don't really want people to scam people. They don't want people to troll others, etc. If you want me to add you back, though, I'll add you back. Just give me a username on Discord. I'll add you, and then I'll be able to revoke your ban. Okay. Anyways, let's get to the setups, boy. And we're trying to make some setups. We're trying to make some money today, aren't we? But let me tell you this, guys. If you look on the news, actually, you know what? I'll show you the goddamn news right now. Sorry, no, I didn't freeze. I was just on mute. My bad. Let's show you the goddamn news. Stop screen. Share screen. Calendar. Forex Factory. Is my audio a little bit better these days, guys? I got a new headset. You know what I mean? Because I wanted you guys to to be able to hear me properly. Anyways, look at this. Look at this news, bro. This is UK time, okay? So this is currently it's 7:40 in the morning, and you're telling me that the euro has flash PMI, not just any PMI, flash PMI at 8:15. Then it's got it at 8:30. German flash PMI. So every 15 minutes in the first half of London is flash PMI. That is not good. Then we have medium impact flash manufacturing PMI at 9, which is half an hour later. Then half an hour later, we've got a pound flash PMI. And these are flashes. These aren't just normal PMIs. These are going to be crazy, bro. So what we need to do is, obviously, I'll wait until news. If the news is just completely terrible, then I'll call it a stream. Because who wants to take risk on a Friday with massive risk in terms of news? Like, who wants to do that? I don't know about you, but I want to have peace on my weekend. You know what I mean? I don't want to go into my weekend feeling like a loser. But, we'll do our best, right? Anyways, back to the stream. Share screen. Bang. Okay. Oh man, I wish I took the Euro trade. Fuck. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? The Euro trade took off. Who? Man, I should have taken that shit for real. It'd be like 3 pips, wouldn't it? 4 pips. Why did you take it from there? Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? Which candle did you take on? Did you take on the candle which was like 3 candles ago? 4? What? Is there a setup there? Oh, okay. What, did you just take it because it was a rejection off of a book? Right, fair enough. Fair enough. 10 seconds, bro. Next thing Kaiser's gonna say he's gonna be on the 1 second. Did you take the UJ? Man. I could have taken that shit. So there was a trade on the UJ. The reason why I didn't, sorry, not the UJ, the Euro. I don't know why I didn't take it. I really should have. But we have a bear candle, we have a bull candle, okay, which take the body high. Then step 3 is we need the attempt to rebalance, which it did. It failed to close below, and then it broke above, and that's your entry right there. And you would have made a solid 5 pips right there. Okay, that's that. Am I talking to robots? No, I'm talking to the people on the Discord. The Discord, we're live every single day. We have like a loyal following. About over 50 people join on our London session lives every single day. If you want to join us and you want to see what we're talking about, join us in the Discord. The Discord link is right there. Did I take the Euro long? No, I didn't. Unfortunately, I should have. I really should have, but I did not. I really don't know why. I think honestly, I don't even have an excuse. I just didn't take it. I should have, though. I really should have. And I regret not taking it, but it is what it is. Why is the pound moving down, though? Ah, you took the pound as well. Any of you guys like Kinder Buenos? I love Kinder Buenos. I don't have them a lot because they're bad for your health. You know what I'm saying? Verification for Discord is glitchy. Just give me your username and I'll add you, bro. Give me a username and I'll add you. Lopez, there you are. Let me verify you, my friend. Apps force verify. Here you go. I verified you, mate. So you should be able to see everything there. But let's have some Kinder Buenos, man. What is it? Huh. Ah, right. No, I don't. I told him that we'd give him another chance if he's not messing about and he's just not replied. Well, yeah, he probably just maybe he just handed it to him on a plate. That's all. I bet you like that, huh? He's got to wine and dine his clients, man. I hate wine, bro. I love whiskey though. Whiskey is lovely. That's it. Man, there's really nothing going on. I think reason why there's not much going on is because there's news coming in soon. So I'm expecting it to range, especially the euro. And the euro is generally like the one thing that sort of keeps everything on check. But there's been different rate hikes for different pairs now, so which is why they're moving in different directions. If the pound is moving down, the euro is moving up. That's the reason why. It's just really odd. And in conditions like these, it's best not to trade at all. At all. At all. Are you in CAD? Why would you take CAD? I'm just sticking to the core strategy, bro. I'm just sticking to the core strategy. Yeah, because it takes a lot of BS ones. Euro moving up while the USD CHF is moving up. Very strange. So, guys, I am hesitant to take a trade at the minute because, as you can see, the pairs aren't really moving in the way that they're supposed to. Generally, you like to see the euro move opposite to the CHF, but it isn't. So, it's not the greatest conditions to trade in. It's Friday. It's tons of news coming in. There's news in 15 minutes, so just gonna be careful. Debating whether or not to get in on euro. Might take the euro. Oh yeah, open. Yeah, might as well wait. London open. Let's hope there's something in London besides the euro news. Swiss is moving up, man. At the same time, the euro is moving up. That means one of them's a half false move. For sure. God damn, I don't see any setups at the minute still. There is the euro long, but I won't take that because the USD CHF is moving up. If the USD CHF is moving up at the same time, the euro should be moving down. But since they're moving up at the same time, it's a very strange setup to take, and that's why I will not take it. That's all. The euro, the yen. The yen was a good trade as well. So if you look at, I'll just explain the euro setup, right? So we've got again, for the people who haven't joined, step number 1 is bear candle. Step number 2, we only focus on bear candles. There's nothing else. And in this case, it's a bullish scenario because there's a blue line. You can see red lines as well for bearish lines, but we have a bearish candle. We have a bullish line because the next candle took the body high of the bear. We have a bearish candle which attempted to rebalance. It did not rebalance, as in it did not close below the bullish line. So that means that price has a willingness to continue up. And then what do we have? Step number 4 is the body break entry. When the body high of this bear candle breaks, we take it long. It's as simple as that, genuinely. And it was a really good trade. It was about 8 pips or 7 pips or something. Let's have a look. If I can find my mouse. Yeah, that was quite a good trade in my opinion. Quite a good trade. 7 pips. There's not a lot going on at the minute. But for those of you who, oh, actually, there is a trade on the USD CAD. Man, I should have taken that shit. Anyone take the CAD? Oh, I got in too late because of the stupid message that comes up when you press one-click trading. I didn't even get in. Yeah, on the first trade, it comes up with like a notification saying, "Oh, do you allow this?" And just messed it up for me. I would have got in on the CAD just then, bro. Yeah, true. There is the yen. Five. Not taking anything just yet. Right, Londoners are them. Me? Stocks are taking a tanking. Expecting US dollar to rise. Yeah, so is the FTSE. So we're expecting US dollar strength. Yeah. Yeah, forget AU. I'm not training that shit. Get out of here. Is Swissy moving down yet? No, it's moving up. Swissy's moving up. Yeah. Because I was going to say the Euro longs looks nice still. But there's no trade. It might be a no trade day for me. Don't know. Yeah. Yeah, we literally are at the fix right now. Uh huh. Yeah, the euro is not moving down proportionally to the USD CHF moving up. So one of these got to be fake. Oh yeah, I forgot there's news. So euro, I think it's French PMI first, and it's flash PMI as well. So it's going to be pretty big. Yeah, the equities are reversing now. I would see if I can get a quick scalp on the euro. Hmm. So, what a mess here. My mouse was hovering over the buy for Euro. I'm still waiting for it, for anybody who's wondering. I haven't taken any trades yet at all. Not at all. There we go. I might take a buy on the Euro right there, and I'm going to be getting out before news. $50 risk. Not bad at all. I'll take that. Has quite a ways to go, though. The reason why I took this is because we have a bear candle here. We blew above. Then we have a bear candle over here. Really, I should have entered there, but the reason why I didn't enter there is because the Swiss was moving up really strongly. But now that the Swiss is reversing, I'm happy to take the Euro long because these move opposite to each other. So the Euro and the Swiss move opposite to each other. So if the Swiss had a fake out up move and it's going to reverse, if it reverses, then my hypothesis is with the strategy, with the cost setup, the Euro should move up as well. So I'll be taking that. But I've got half risk on today because I don't want to take too much risk going into the Euro news. I will be executing before Euro news as well. What? Yeah, I think the Swissy. Oh, yes, there we go. Yeah, I'm in the Euro as well. I'm in the Euro as well. It's cool. Yeah, exactly. So we've got to be very, very careful. All these lines to the left. Ooh, he's pushing through. Keep pushing. Oh! I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Hit my talk buffer. Woo! Woo! Let's go. There we go. At least we got one trade this morning, guys. Come on. You got to be proud of me, guys, on the YouTube. Be proud of me. Even throughout all this shady news that's coming in. Come on. We got something. Nah, the way that moved is crazy. Nah, I thought Swissy was the fake one because I was like, Euro's holding back. If Swissy's moving all that way, why is the Euro not moving down as quickly as USD CHF is moving up? So it had to be the USD CHF being fake. There was nothing pushing it. Like, as far as I'm aware, there's no news for the CHF or the US dollar either. So what was going on? On what? Oh, yeah, that was a trade as well. I didn't see that, actually. It was a very small... Do you guys have a bear candle? Yeah. I've got a bear candle as well, yeah. Good trade. Good trade. So, Kaiser, are you at 20 pips yet? That's all right. Nah, the way that Euro moved, whoo, that was quick. Right, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm just going to explain the trade to YouTube. So the guys on YouTube, the reason why I took the Euro is because very, very simple. 4 steps, remember? So we've got the 4 steps here. We've got number 1. Wait, let me just get a different shape because we've already got lines. So number 1, right? We've got the bear candle here. Let me just change the color of this shit. Make it yellow. I like yellow. Actually, no, I don't. I hate it. But so we've got a bear candle here. And then step number 2, we have a bear candle over here. What does it do? It fails to close below here. There's no wicks, nothing. We don't care about wicks. Even if it wicked down here and it closed above here, it doesn't matter. As long as it closes above, that's all we want. Since it closed above, what does that mean? That means that price has a willingness to continue up. Okay. Reason why I did not enter on this break here is because if you look at the USD CHF, which is the one below this, they should be moving in the opposite direction. However, the USD CHF was moving up at the same time as the euro moving up. I don't know why that happened, but that usually shows that one of the pairs is a fake move because they're meant to be moving opposite to each other. So I waited for the USD CHF to have its breakout, and then I saw it started turning around, and that's when this opportunity came in, where we had this bear candle, which again failed to close below this candle over here. It broke above, we took it, and that was an easy 5 pips. Okay, and that's all that matters. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And if you want to know a lot more about the strategy, a bit deeper as well, join us in the Discord. I would very much love to have you. It's free. We trade every single day in the London session. You guys will enjoy it. We're trading right now in the London session, so if you want to hear what they're talking about, I can hear what they're speaking about too. Join us, and they will be able to fill you in on some knowledge. You can ask all your questions. You can join us in the audience. We've actually got a full audience at the minute, so if you want to join us, get in. We recently boosted the server to level 3, so we've got 150 people. Because an issue that we had was we had too many people in the stream, and so on Discord, but they only allowed 50. But since we boosted the server, they allow 150 now, so we're good. What if the euro sets up? Go on, Lossie. Nice. Whoa. News. God damn, I'm glad I got our euro, hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I'm just catching up with the Telegram chat for everybody. Just making sure I'm answering everyone's questions. Has anyone seen what Osama's been doing in the chat? Yeah. But it's just demo, is it? What the hell is he doing? It's ridiculous. Right. But a lot of people do the job for us, don't they? Just call them out. Are you in a trade, Kaiser, or something? What's he in? CAD. Oh, the buy, so. Just see if. There's no gaps on the dollar or anything, so stocks are flying. No, I mean, I'm talking about the DXY on IG. Right. All right, guys. So the people on YouTube, like I said, I've only taken one trade today. My trade today was, let me just show you real quick. For the new guys who have joined, I know you have. I'm just going to get this on here so you guys can see. Now, the trade that I took was this. So we have a bear candle. So remember, 4 things, right? For the people who are new in the chat, there's 4 rules that we focus on. There's number 1, bear candles only. So if you look at my chart, it just closed out all those red books down there. But if you look at my chart, let's just go back to the 15-minute, for example. Right? You can see the red lines and then all the blue lines, they're on bear candles, okay? So we only focus on bear candles. Second thing is we focus on candle changes, right? So the reason why on this candle, on this bear candle specifically, that there's a red line is because it comes after a bull candle, okay? And then if there's a close above the red line, this red line will disappear, okay? Now, for the bear candles, sorry, for the bullish lines, the way that it works is that if you have a bearish candle that comes before a bull or a series of consecutive bulls, which takes the body high of the bear, then we can a line will be drawn there. Obviously, that's done by the indicator, but you can do it yourself. So this strategy is fully manual. You can do this yourself. It's just the indicator draws the lines for me. Step number 3 is you need an attempt to rebalance. So if we go back onto the euro, the attempt to rebalance with these black candles over here. Usually it's just one, but the reason why I didn't enter here was because the USD CHF was not behaving. Because they're meant to move the opposite, but the USD CHF was moving up as well. I needed it to move down to give the euro some strength. Anyways, we had the bear candle. and you would have entered on the break of this bear candle, okay? Because the bear candle acts as an attempt to rebalance of this black candle over here. So if this black candle, this bear candle, closed below, then it would be classed as an invalidated setup. It wouldn't be valid, okay? But since it closed above, it's valid, right? That means that the market wants to move in the, it wants to continue in the upward direction. So then, as for an entry, we go on to step number 4. That's where the body break of this bear candle high is taken to enter longs. And we entered the longs and we took it, and that was a fairly easy 4.5 pips or something like that. Okay. But now news has hit, so there's not really much for us to take in a minute, but we'll wait. Did I miss anything? How old are you? 8. Seems like it. For Discord, I think it's 13 years old. Just put it, put it in the rules section if you're under 18 or something. You can't really enforce it because people lie about it. It's like Pornhub. Oh, enter only if you're 18, but then you can just press, I'm 18, it's all right. Oh shit, is he? Damn, gonna be nice to meet him. Hello, Kunal. Hello, Joe. Hope you're all doing well. If you want to know what we're speaking about, I will obviously speak to the guys on YouTube as well. I've explained my trade that I took today on the Euro. I took longs. That's the only trade that I've taken today. I'm up 5 pips. But if you want to know what's going on in the Discord, join us in the Discord. We would love to have you. It's free. The strategy itself is free. All the learning content there is free. And we trade live every single day in the London session. And we have a live stage audience set up. We've got 50 people in the audience on Discord. That's more than YouTube. And we've only got like 400 people in the server as well. So we've got a very, very strong, tight community. And if you want to be a part of that, join the Discord. I've posted the link, and I would very, very much be very happy if you guys joined. Hey, good morning from New Jersey. I've attempted to use the email verification, but it isn't working. Can you please assist? Sure. What's your username on Discord, my friend? I will verify you myself. Are you Miami bound? Just let me know what your username is, and I will have you verified. Don't worry about that. Sometimes it can be a little bit finicky. Miami bound. Okay, got you. Let me verify you, my friend. There you go. You should be verified, and you should be able to see everything. And you can join us in the lives as well on Discord, and you can hear what everybody's saying. Man, Swiss longs, anybody? Yeah, I didn't break the book. Yeah, there's pound shorts as well. For me, anyway. Yeah. Yeah. There's not going to be many trading opportunities then after that, is there? Chickened out of what card? You made 10 pips, so that means you're up 20 pips today, aren't you? Alright. Alright. Okay. Nice. What's it again? Alright. Nah, I didn't. Fortunately, there was no trade for me anyway. Right. Tor. Yep. I've verified you as well. USD CAD should be a buy. It was a buy before, but not right now. The buy would have been here. So we had a bear candle. We had a bear candle that attempted to retrace. We broke through it. Your stop would have been here, and you would have taken. I probably would have taken 5 pips. It moved 13 pips, but I probably would have taken 5. I only would have taken. For my first few trades of the day, I take 5 pips because I don't want to take too much risk. And then later on, I can hold them because I can take a little bit more risk with the house's money. I'll be streaming with you anyway, so. Yeah, he's in New Zealand, I think. I think he's 12 hours behind us, isn't he? Or 12 hours ahead, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, right. I only just started hearing the conversation. There's nothing going on. Yeah, news is about to hit. So we're just staying out for a little bit, eh? $300? Oh, in Telegram. Oh. We do have an old guy in the Discord. I think someone that I spoke to. Oh, he's reversing it. I just had a massive gap on the AU. I don't have the only thing that I have a gap on is Aussie, but everything else is fine. The Euro's moving up. The Euro's moving up. The Euro's moving up. Shit. 12 pip. Oh my god. But over here, I'm on 8 cap, so well with the Blue Guardian. Yeah, they're looking at the Go Markets data. So we had a miss and a beat. Man. Tell me about it. Oh, he'll go over too. Just kidding. Was that only 200k, Kaiser? Who? Wait, say that again, sorry? I couldn't hear you. Right. Right. Yeah. I probably need to increase my risk on the CAD and the yen as well. I mean, not that I take the yen that lot. Yeah. So I've got some questions. Curious, what are running dollar per pip for your scalps? So I have a fixed lot, and I'm half risk right now because it's Friday and there's a lot of news, right? But generally, the rule that we follow with this strategy is it's a fixed lot trading strategy, but some people go with the risk based trading, and their stop losses are risk, and so some of their lot sizes are a bit different. But for most of us, for the admin team, we have per 10,000, it's one lot. So for 100k, we use a 10 lot. For 200k, we use a 20 lot. For 50k, we use a 5 lot. Does that make sense? So because most of our stop losses, they never ever go beyond 10 pips. So if we lose 10 pips, we'll lose 1%, and that's that. You know what I mean? And a percent risk on 10, and we rarely ever hit a 10 pip loss. Rarely. Sometimes you do if you're being stupid and you hold a trade when you shouldn't, which I do sometimes. But that's why I've got half risk today, because I know it's going to be a pretty risky day. Okay. I just looked in. I'm looking at gold. I do not trade gold. Gold has a different way of trading it. This is for Forex only. Gold relies more on bond data. But Cameron, if you join the Discord, Cameron will be able to answer you a bit more on how gold works. I don't know, but I know that this strategy, while you can make money on gold with it, it functions a very different sort of way. Euro long setting up. I mean, the Swissy came and filled this book, so the Euro may go and do the same. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, the stocks are moving up now as well. Mhm. Right. It's probably best idea to stay away from it then. Plus, I'm just thinking my stop would be like 20 pips anyway, so probably best not to trade it anyway. No real practical way to manage my risk. Yeah, I'm positive. I'm up about $50, so yeah. Oh man. So it's the guys on YouTube. There's not really much going on because of news. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for the. I'm just waiting for the price to sort of calm down a little bit, give some clear direction. Just because of the news, it's caused a little bit of uncertainty. Obviously, the only trade I've taken today was a positive trade, and that might be the only one, depending on how the markets behave. Oh yeah, that should look delicious. Should have given me one. Yes, that's what I like to hear. Oh man. This is the boring bit. Waiting for setups. It's Worcester. So Worcestershire. Yeah, it's Worcestershire. Yeah. Data. How do you guys say? How do you say kilometer? Kilometer. Ah, good. Kilometer. Oops. Rearranged my pairs by accident. Just hate that. Yeah, we say up the road as well, but usually it's 5 minutes because we live on a tiny island. About 200 miles. I'm up north, so and London's all the way down south. Well, the way that I think of it, south is where all the angry people are, and the north is where all the nice people are. Yeah, I mean, it's as old as history, really. It's all the time. But London, generally, a lot of people are just really like they talk really quickly, and they're very like over here in the north. You know, you can take a walk in the park, and everyone will say good morning or hello, how you doing? Like just random people, just strangers. They'll just strike up conversation with you, or they'll just say hello or good morning. But then over there, everyone just gives you dirty looks. I was in London last week, and similar experience. Over here, people are really, really nice. Strangers, even though, yeah, go on. Game of Thrones. I've never watched that, to be honest. I'm not much of a show buff. Right. Fat chance of a random chat in London. Yeah, that's right, Mason. And nobody's going to talk to you. You try and talk to anybody, they'll call you a fucking idiot. Right, guys, to everybody in London. I mean, sorry, not London. What the hell am I saying? I mean, the people on YouTube. I know you guys are waiting for setups. There's nothing at the minute. Obviously, news has hit. We've had two major news events, and there's going to be another news event in about half an hour, well, 15 minutes actually. And then half an hour after that, there's going to be pound news. So whether there's going to be any setups, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. I'll try and stay as long as I can. But it might be best to be trading on Monday. Let me just check if there's any news on Monday real quick. Oh, me? Yeah, to be honest, I think I'm probably going to call it a day because of these news. Is that what Cam was saying as well? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Nah, don't worry about it. But appreciate it. Though. I'm gonna leave the stream as well because I don't feel like there's nothing like there. I mean, it's Friday. Two news have hit. There's gonna be news all day, so forget it. I made some profit. Yeah, exactly. I get it. Right. All right. I'll see you guys on Discord later. Take care, man. Bye bye. Right, so we just destroyed the stream on. Well, we just left the stream. I don't know why I said destroyed. We just left the stream on Discord. I know there's 45 people you watching. I'm a mess right now, as you can tell by my hair, but I'm going to call it a day there. There's too much news. There's news in, like, say, 15 minutes, 10 minutes now. There's going to be news in half an hour. So if you guys are going to carry on trading, trade safe. Watch out for the news. Do not be in the market when you're in news. even if you're in a swing position, don't be risking that shit. You know what I mean? Because crazy stuff happens, and they're all red news as well. It's a Friday; you never know what could happen as well. But I will see you on Monday. Monday is when my next stream will be, and I will see you then. Right, take care of yourselves. Have a good day, and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.